Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for May 7, 2020. As you can see that on the left side here, this is SPY, which is the SP 500 ETF. And look at the chart that you see that the last 3 days the market is going nowhere. They stick in the red bar within this parallel channel here. So when the market is stick around here, they don't want to go down. They have many chance to push it out. So the market, they right, a lot of people try to short the market, not because they think the market will go lower, but they didn't go lower, and then they push it back up. They didn't want to go higher either. So a lot of bull and bear, they don't know where the market is heading to. But for us, every day in our live trading room, we already set up the blue box here for our client so that our member they know exactly where the market we're heading to. Like first, for example, like today in the morning, we put the blue box, which is the market we're heading there ahead of the time before the market get there. So when the market get there, they break out, and a lot of people they jump in. They are afraid that they're missing the breakout, and then the market they know that they turn around and slam them down until the end of the day, and after that they rally after the market close. So the market is designed to ride the bear and the bull nut because if they don't know what to do, they will losing a lot of money. Because especially you are a short-term trader, you have to know where you're at, where your target price, how to define the sell zone and buy zone. You have to understand technical analysis, okay, and you have to understand the crowd psychology so that you can define where the reflection point of the buyer and the seller so that you can trade accordingly. So this is the two chart, the SPY and the SP 500, E-mini SP 500. For the short-term day trade, as you can see that this morning, when the market here, they hit to the target, and after that, a lot of FOMO guys jump in and buy it, and the institution, they know that they slam it down. After they slam it down, they found a support, and then boom, after that, they take off from there. And you can see that in the morning, the market, when the market opened at 6:30, they put it up. A lot of people jump in too quickly. They slam it down. They push it back up. They slam it down, and finally they be able to stabilize and push it back up to the target price. So after they hit the target price, the market goes sideways, and then they break that low here. And then the market is pushed to the end of the day and hit to the target area, and then they break out and continue to go higher after hour. As you can see, that's how the market moves. You have to understand those stuff. You have to understand price action in order for you to see where the market goes. The last couple of weeks, I'm heavily focused on a lot of swing trade. If you can see here, we do a lot of stock that we buy like TTWO. So we buy here. If you have been following me on the YouTube, when I call out a market to buy, I give you a bunch of names. If you bought them right now, they hit here to the sell zone, and we get out. Okay, let me go a couple of stock like Tesla. That's another good one. So you buy here and you get out there. Okay, you buy there, you get out there when it hits to the sell zone, and you just get out, take profit. You see, we just buy here and get out there, and we're done. So that's how we trade on the swing trade. So beside the day trade, what we're doing here is the swing trade. The swing trade is another technique that we are teaching people so that you can understand it, how to make a trade and stay in the trade longer, and you will make a lot more money. So for the for then 5 weeks, and from April to May, I just using $165,000, and then I just buy and sell a swing trade top, and then in the we just close the one of them, so then the net profit is $95,304. So you see that if you understand the power of the swing trade, you can make a lot of money. You can manage your 401k, and this is the main core of the technique on the swing trading that we are focused on the Stock Navigator. So if you would like more information, how to trade, how to understand the financial market, how to understand the crowd psychology, Please check out our website at Stock Navigator for more information. If you like what I'm doing for you every day, please check in the box below and subscribe to YouTube channels. Every time I have a new video posted, I will let you know. So again, thank you very much for follow me every day. I will do whatever it takes to update you guys where the market heading to, and then we will go from there. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.